In Godot 3, let's say you're setting up a 3D scene. And here we have a 3D node as our base, but when you hit play, nothing happens. It shows you a 2D scene. Now, the problem is that you don't have the proper things set up in a 3D environment. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to do that just like in this one. So here in this world, you'll see that we have a nice scene. Now, in our world scene, in your scene, we will add a few things. The first thing that we'll need to actually launch in a 3D scene is a camera 3D. Let's add a camera 3D. We will also need a world environment. And one other thing we can add is directional light. So this one is not necessary, but I'm going to add it anyways. Now in the world environment, we can go to empty, new environment, like this. We'll go to background, clear color, sky. Click the sky tab now. In here, we'll put new sky, click the sky material, new procedural material, and there you go. Now, of course, from here, you can start editing the colors of things, whatever you'd like. But now, if I just hit play, here is our 3D environment scene. Now, another thing that we can do, let's say I add a 3D object to our scene. Let me just move this back a little bit. I'll take my camera and point my light downwards. Now, when I hit play, it might be a little hard to see the light. Yeah, it's actually kind of impossible to see the light, but it does help. And we do see the scene much better. Now, let's delete the world environment so you can see what it would look like without it. And there you go. That's why we kind of added the world environment. It's much less, pretty. And if we delete the light, it's even worse. So you can kind of see what those things do in retrospect to not having them. So hopefully this video helped. If it did, do hit the sub button down below and consider subscribing to my email listing. It's completely free and I send you free challenges every week and some free tips and tricks that I learned inside of Godot over the years. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you all in the future. Bye-bye.